Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your BMW i4. First, understand the two main types of charging, AC and DC. AC charging is common for home and slower public points, while DC offers rapid charging. Your i4 has specific ports for each. We'll cover both home and public options to keep your vehicle powered up efficiently and ensure you're always ready for your next journey. Charging your i4 at home is incredibly convenient. You can use a standard 3-pin plug for trickle charging, though it's quite slow. For much faster AC charging, consider installing a dedicated wall box. This allows for efficient overnight charging, often taking advantage of cheaper off-peak electricity rates. Many wall boxes also offer smart features to optimize your charging schedule. When you're out and about, public charging networks are essential. You'll find both AC and rapid DC charging stations available. Rapid DC chargers can significantly boost your battery in a short time, perfect for longer trips. Access these networks using dedicated apps or RFID cards. Always check the charging costs and available payment methods beforehand to avoid any surprises. To get the most from your i4's battery, charge it regularly, ideally keeping it between 20 and 80% for daily use. Preconditioning your battery before rapid charging can improve efficiency. Always monitor your charging status conveniently through the BMW app. For longer journeys, plan your route to include suitable charging stops, ensuring a smooth and stress-free trip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.